To navigate to the customer-facing roadmap, visit our support site, support.cloudextend.io. Then go ahead and locate the product that you subscribe to. In this case, I'll choose CloudExtend Outlook for NetSuite. And there you'll see a link to an article on our customer-facing roadmap. Once here, you'll find 4 tabs: customer-submitted ideas up for vote, shortlisted ideas under consideration for development, ideas that are under active development, and then ideas that have been released. The customer-submitted ideas up for vote contains ideas that users have submitted that are not yet in active development, but they're really good candidates to be moved up to the next shortlist stage. Our team meets on a regular cadence to review these ideas, and you also can make a difference and help us prioritize our development efforts by upvoting them. Go ahead and click on a card, and then you can go ahead and upvote it. And in this case, I'll go ahead and say this is something that's important to me. And once I choose that, I can add in my comments. We really want to know why it's important. And then go ahead and put in your email address and then submit. Once you submit, you'll get an email confirmation. When you click on that, your vote will be added to the particular card along with your comments. In the Shortlisted for Development tab, you can see ideas that we've already vetted. So these typically will start out as a customer submitted idea. We vet them and then we add them to this Shortlisted Ideas page. These aren't yet set in stone for a future release cycle, but you still have an opportunity to help prioritize or deprioritize them by not voting. The Active Development tab lets you know what we're working on right now. Development efforts and timelines vary from feature to feature, but what you see here is generally set in stone and will be delivered in an upcoming release. Then navigating to the Release tab will show you what we've released recently and historically as well. Since we're just building this portal now, we're probably not going to add a lot of historical release cards. You can always find them on our support site, support.cloudextend.io. Perhaps the most exciting feature is the ability for end users to submit their own ideas. This can be done by clicking on Submit Idea at the top right of the portal. And then here you could enter your idea, let us know how important it is, enter in your email address, and then click on Submit. So that's a real quick tour of our customer-facing roadmap. I hope you'll like it. Thanks for watching.